The Great Pyramids are some of the biggest structures ever built. The Great Pyramid of Giza has 2.3 million stone blocks, each weighing as much as an elephant. But here's the crazy part. The ancient Egyptians built this 4,500 years ago without modern machines or trucks. Workers didn't use wheels to move the massive stones. Instead, they placed them on wooden sledges and pulled them across sand. But they had a secret weapon. They poured water on the sand. Wet sand is slippery, so it reduced friction and made pulling the stones way easier. To lift stones onto higher levels, Egyptians used ramps spiraling around the pyramid. They also used levers, simple wooden poles that acted like seesaw machines. By placing a stone under the pole and pushing down, workers could lift incredibly heavy blocks with less effort. Tens of thousands of workers lived on site, and archaeologists found villages where they ate, slept, and worked together. These weren't slaves. They were paid workers who took pride in building monuments to their pharaohs. They worked in organized teams with different jobs. The ancient Egyptians used simple copper and bronze tools to cut stone blocks from quarries. They'd use stone hammers to break rocks and wooden wedges to split massive boulders. No power tools, just amazing teamwork and clever techniques. To keep the pyramid level and aligned perfectly with the stars, Egyptians used mathematics and geometry we're still amazed by today. They understood angles, measurements, and how to calculate weight distribution, making them ancient engineers and architects. And thanks for watching! If you learned something amazing today, smash that subscribe button and drop a comment below. What fact blew your mind the most? See you in the next Wonder Story!